Let me ask you a question. Do you know the number one disease that is killing people in the West? The number one. Anybody? Yeah. Over? Overeating. That's a good one. Snacking. Yeah. The number one disease, according to now data available freely on the internet, that is killing the West is over medication. I was at this Kundalini Yoga workshop for 30 days, and there was this beautiful girl there, and she always had this beautiful little box like this, so long. And in that box, there was this beautiful little round things, all over the place, different colors. I'm like a curious little child. So I had to ask her one day, so please tell me, what is this? Saying, this is vitamin. This is very good for your health. Vitamin, supplements, minerals. This is vitamin B, this is vitamin D, this is vitamin E. I said, do you know about fruits? Do you know what a fruit is? So the problem today is that if you get diarrhea, you run to the doctor to stop the diarrhea. According to Ayurveda, when you get diarrhea, your body is trying to flush out poison. You just need to fast. Just drink warm water and rest. And that's all you need to do. It will stop. If it does not stop after 5 days, then you go to the doctor. Maybe, if you know a good doctor then. In the last 30 years, I've never had diarrhea for which I have needed to go to any doctor. Similarly, when you get fever, you go running to the doctor. Fever means your body temperature is rising so that it can kill the virus inside that it wants to kill. Now you and your doctor think you're smarter than your body. So you take the medicine and bring the fever down. And the virus is very happy. There's so many stupid things we do, it's not even funny. That I teach in this yoga studio in Dubai, and I teach there every year. And one day I go again and I enter the studio, and the owner come to me to say hello to me. And he look at it and I say, you stopped having sugar. He said, how do you know? I say, your skin is shining so much. Sugar is the biggest enemy we have in the world today. The biggest enemy. He's worse than Donald Trump and Xi Jinping. It's so bad. It's so bad. It's so bad. I cannot even tell you. I had an ice cream last night. But if you do it like this once in a way, it's okay. But people eat sugar all the time. If you understand this and you make sugar your enemy number one, I cannot tell you what will happen to your skin, what will happen to your health, what will happen to the future of your life when you are 90 years old. Sugar is one of the main reasons of cancer. So please make sugar your enemy number one.